Hi there, I am Kelly Miller with Events by Kelly&Co. And my primary job is head go-getter and chaos tamer. So what we do at Events by Kelly&Co is we plan events, we help you market events, and we can support you in events. So everything event planning from A to Z. So our primary types of events that we plan are conferences. I love doing and planning multi-day conferences, just all the chaos around it, I love to do. We also do workshops, retreats, fundraisers, product launches, those types of things. So we here can plan it for you completely. We can help you plan pieces of it, or I can teach you how to plan your event. So we have a lot of options there. So as far as marketing, we teach you how to monetize your event through social media, teach you what types of posts to post, what to talk about, do your marketing plan. We can do all of those things, and I love teaching people how to do social media. And then the last thing that we do is the support piece, which is building a website strictly for your event. And we can do it on your domain as a subdomain or completely separate. We do WordPress. So we build them and we put registration, all the speaker information, your agenda, which can change, like if the location changes to a different room, we can switch it online. It just comes up really quick, so people are always abreast of what's going on. We can talk about all the fun stuff that you're doing surrounding your event, hotel registration, frequently asked questions. There's so much that goes into doing an event, and people want to know what's happening. So we here at Events by Kelly&Co want to be your partner in creating an excellent event experience for your team, for your attendees, for your speakers, your vendors, all participants involved. So definitely reach out. We do a 30-minute free consultation. We could get to know each other and see how we can help you out. So I look forward to hearing from you. Have a great day.